Hi friends, I am back with a new video and today I am sharing how you can draw this pig. So let's begin, and the step number 1 would be the ear of the pig drawing. So I have drawn the ear number 1. Along with that would be the forehead portion, the face, eyes of the pig, two small dots for the nose, and this is the lips. Here I have drawn ear number 2. So the face section is almost completed. Here I have added two wings. It's obviously optional, and if you want to skip this, you can also skip that one. Then the lower portion of the body, and along with that I will add the legs and the hands of the pig. So these two are the legs part. Hand number 1, and then the other hand. That's done. The last step is to draw a curly tail. So I have do that, and the drawing is complete. So you have saw how easily I have drawn this. I'm sure you will definitely try it, and please let me know in our comment section how was your experience with this drawing. I'll meet you in the next video with some new tutorial. Till then, take care. Goodbye.